So today I am back with another video. Today's video is about our 10K giveaway rules and details. We've reached 10K subscribers and I'm very excited, and I'm so blessed and thankful for all of you guys that subscribe to my channel and actually watch my videos. I thank y'all for that. So before we even get into this video, okay, let's get into this hair. This is our 40-inch mink straight, and this is made into a wig. I made it into a wig, and I also installed it myself as well. I will soon post a video on how I made it and how I installed it. I have so many videos that I haven't even uploaded yet, but I have so many on my phone for you guys, so just stay tuned and stay subscribed. I love you guys. I'm very excited, like I said, that we've reached 10,000 subscribers. We're really at 12K right now, so I mean, I'm growing by the minute, okay? Like, period. Oh, hold on. Let's get into this bare face. Y'all want a skin routine, but I don't have a skin routine. I just wash my face. That's all I do. I'm trying to think what I do. I don't do nothing. I don't really wear makeup like that unless I'm going out. If I go out, I do my eyebrows and I put on a little bit of foundation. I don't cake my face up. It's not for me, okay? But anyway, so let's get into this giveaway. So in order to enter the giveaway and be a part of the giveaway, what you need to do before we even y'all, my mind is everywhere. Okay, let me show y'all what you're gonna win. So you're gonna win a lip gloss starter kit. So you're gonna win a 5.5 ounce bag of the Versagel that you need to make the lip gloss. So you're gonna win one of these, and then of course you're gonna get 10 squeeze tubes. Y'all can't really see it, but because they're light, but so you'll get 10 squeeze tubes, the bag of Versagel. You're gonna need your big syringe, so you're gonna get a syringe. I'm sorry, y'all, this light is terrible. You're gonna get a big syringe, and I'm also just gonna send like 3 pipettes. And then you get a little baggie of you get a little bag of pigment, pink pigment, of course, because Boujee Barbie does. So I'm gonna send a little pink pigment, and you're gonna get a little flavoring oil. It's just gonna be a random flavoring oil, not any specific flavor or whatever, but this one is pineapple. So whoever wins this little lip gloss kit will get a pineapple flavoring oil. You don't have to use it, you can order your own. I'm just supplying this one, okay? So basically this bag of Versagel should make like 20 tubes. Wow, I was rudely interrupted. Anyway, so this bag should fill approximately 20 tubes if you know what you're doing. I mean, it should, as long as you mix it. Now you have to mix this with something. You can't just make your lip gloss with just putting it straight up, because it's gonna be too thick, you know what I'm saying? So you want to put some type of oil. Like you can watch my video. I use the fractionated coconut oil, okay, you guys, and you can get it from Walmart. Here comes my mom. Watch. Here she comes. Just watch. She gotta be nosy. I just told her, I said, here she comes. She gotta be nosy. What? You need your computer? You on there? I'm recording a video, but they haven't seen it yet. What? Okay, so I found it. I want to show y'all which one I use. This is the one I use. I don't know if y'all can, hold on, let me see. This is the coconut oil I use. I prefer this one. fractionated coconut oil. The one next to it, as you can see, I don't even have to click on it. The one next to it, this one, this is the one a lot of people use. A lot of people use this like scooping one. And I heard this one hardens at room temperature, so I don't use that one. I use this one. I mean, it's up to you if you want to use this one. I've never tried it, so I can't really speak on it. But this one works out very well for me. So I will be adding this in with the kit. It's better to use because it is absorbed easily by the skin. Fractionated coconut oil is expensive, but I feel like it's very moisturizing, and it's way better to use than the scooping coconut oil. I've never used that, and I'm not going to use it. I'm going to continue using the fractionated coconut oil. You guys always ask me, does the fractionated coconut oil does all of my lip glosses have a scent of coconut? And the fractionated coconut oil, it has no scent of it doesn't have any scent at all. It's coconut oil, it's fractionated, it's moisturizing, and it doesn't have a scent, and it's way better than the scoop coconut oil, like the hard one that you get on the grocery side at Walmart. This one you get on the like pharmacy side. The fractionated you get on the pharmacy side of Walmart, and that's the one I use. Whoever wins this, I will send you coconut oil to go with it, so you'll have everything ready to go ahead and start making your lip gloss. Okay, so I'm gonna look out for y'all on that, okay, because I want you to have a successful business. I want you to make your little lip gloss tubes and see if you sell those and promote them well, and you'll know exactly what you need when I send you your goodies. Okay, so I'm very excited. So let's get into the rules. So in order to enter the giveaway, what you need to do, because a lot of people don't listen, so I'll be having to be repetitive. I have to repeat myself a lot. Okay, so what you need to do is subscribe to my channel. That's the number one. You got to be subscribed. Okay, you have to be subscribed to my channel, Boujee Barbie. Subscribe. Okay, ting, subscribe. Once you subscribe, I want you to comment below this video that you're watching. Comment below this video. Comment below and let me know, why do you think that you should win this lip gloss starter kit? Why do you think that we should choose you? I just want to help somebody who start their business that they've always been wanting to start their cosmetic business, but they don't have the push that they need. And this is going to give you the push. Once you make your lip glosses and once you sell your first one, you're going to be so like excited, and you're going to want to actually keep going. You know what I'm saying? Some people just need that push to start their business. You know what I'm saying? That motivation, that support. So I want to be your support system and let you know, if you win this, just go ahead and start your business. Like, this is literally a start for you. You know what I'm saying? Like, I started with this. Before I started doing my cosmetics, I literally started with this. I started with 10 tubes, a small bag of Versagel, and I didn't even have a big syringe, y'all. I didn't know what to do, but I'm sending y'all a syringe because y'all need this. I used a small baby one from Walmart. Like, you can go to my previous video and you will see that I use a small syringe, this small, this skinny. Like, I didn't have any knowledge of what I was needing to do, but as I continued watching videos, I knew what I needed to do, and I figured it out step by step. You know what I'm saying? But I'm giving you this extra push, and I'm sending you everything you need. I literally started out with all of this, besides this, but I literally started out with all of this. This is what I started out with. Okay? This is what I started out with. So no, you don't have to start big when you start a business. You can start small, but as long as you continue to have that drive and motivation to keep you going, you will be successful. Don't worry about nobody else's business being successful. Don't worry about social media, how, you know, it portrays how everybody is doing well and how everybody is, why is your business still here? They're up here. You just gotta just wait your turn. You just gotta be patient. You know what I'm saying? Don't let that discourage you. That should be motivation to you, seeing all these businesses on Instagram just pew, you know what I'm saying? It can happen for you. You just gotta stay consistent and motivate. Okay. Rules to enter. Subscribe to my channel. comment below why you think you should win the lip gloss starter kit. And that's really it. Now for bonus entries, what you need to do for a bonus entry, you need to have an Instagram. Bonus entry, once you subscribe and you comment below, underneath your comment, put your @name for your Instagram. This is very important for bonus entries. You want to put your @name under your comment. So I'm going to leave an example. I'm going to leave an example here. So basically, okay, so say that I'm entering the giveaway, right? So what I'm about to do, I'm going to subscribe. I'm going to comment why I think I should win, and then I'm going to enter and put @Boujee Barbie collection _ That's what I'm going to put. For bonus entries, you must have an Instagram. You have to follow our Instagram. You have to leave your @name under your comment on YouTube, what your @name is, so I can go back and check to make sure you follow me. So that's the bonus entry. So let me say this again, because I feel like I'm all over the place. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm so sorry. So if you don't have an Instagram, this is the regular way to enter. Subscribe, comment below why you think you should win. That's it. Now, if you want to do a bonus entry, you have to subscribe, comment below, leave your @name on Instagram, follow Boujee Barbie Collection, our business page, which I will leave in the description. Okay, that's all you have to do. So I'm gonna say it one more time. For regular entries, all you want to do is subscribe and comment why you think you should win. Bonus entries, you want to subscribe, follow Boujee Barbie Collection, comment below why you think you should win, and put your @name so I can make sure you followed. Okay, that's all you have to do to see if you can win this cute little starter kit. So good luck, you guys, and I wish you all the best, and I can't wait to see who wins our starter kit. Thank you all for watching Boujee Babes. I'll see you in the next video.